Hi guys, welcome to Cyclone. In this video, we are discussing quartile deviation. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of notes of any kind of subjects, so you can contact us anytime. And if you need any other help related to your course, so you can contact us as well. Now, the course is quartile deviation. Quartile deviation is you can see here. Main thing is that quartile deviation formula, which is Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. Relative measures of quartile deviation known as coefficient of quartile deviation. Quartile deviation is formula is Q3 minus Q1, but coefficient of quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. These are those different formula. So if you are asking about the quartile deviation, so you have to use this formula, and if you are asking this coefficient of quartile deviation, so you need to use this formula. So in the example one, because we have given some table, class interval and frequency, and for this we will you first find the quartile deviation 1 and quartile deviation 3. Then after we will find the value of quartile deviation. After that, you have an example you can use. You can find this example. And if you have other queries related to any type of courses, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number.